Hello friends, welcome to another video from me Artistry. In this video, I want to try acrylic inks for calligraphy. I am using these inks for the first time. Here, I am using Speedball's pen with nib numbers C4 and C0. This is FW acrylic ink bottle. It is pure gold in color. The bottle comes with a glass pipette attached to the lid. This is pearlescent ink and they name this color as galactic blue. It is richly pigmented and shiny. There are many bubbles here on the surface after the shake. I need to take care of them when I dip my nibs here. I want to write on my calligraphy paper. One of my subscribers asked me to write his name in Arabic, and I thought to write his name and give him as a free giveaway, and I will be doing for you too. Watch the video till the end for the announcement. I am not a pro in calligraphy, but I love to do it. The ink is flowing well. I'm writing his name. It's Hassan Suleiman. So far, I love the ink. It is smooth on calligraphy paper. This pearlescent color is very shiny. But this ink is not as thin and flowy as Indian ink. That is why I have to use a little more than the Indian ink. And there are some clumps here as the pigments are very thick, so I have to run it a couple of times to drag the blobs. But overall, I think this ink is exciting and I am eager to try other colors here. I will be mailing it to this person who requested it. I am going to try this on UP paper with some alcohol inks. So if you want your name to be written either in English or Arabic calligraphy with some wonderful alcohol ink designs over the borders, type your name in the comment section and I will randomly select few names and write it on the UP paper and mail it out to you guys. The only thing you have to do to win this contest is to subscribe to my channel and write your name in the comment section below this video. You can also choose the ink colors black, pure gold, emerald green or galactic blue. The contest starts today and ends on 31st December. And I will announce the winner next year, that is 15 days from now. Hope you guys enjoyed this satisfying video. This was testing out the acrylic ink on calligraphy paper. If you want to watch my calligraphy video on resin deep blue crystals art, click the video on your screen and enjoy a unique art. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Take care and bye.